Hi everyone. Hope you're doing great. Um, Today I just want to show you the best strategy you can use when it comes in Asian, when it comes in London session, when it comes in New York session, and many sessions. But this strategy, it will help you to be able to come up with a very profitable trades, or these are very profitable setup. Yeah, in case you're looking for a good and a nice setup, this is for you. Okay guys, so all you do, you can go to your TradingView. You can search for your TradingView as mine. For those who are planning to go with the free version, you can also apply on a TradingView, and these are very nice setup that you can be using when it comes to your trades, guys. And please, before you continue, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to this channel. So today is on a Sunday, and market, it has closed until tomorrow. And all I want to show you is just how this setup works. For example, right now I'm using this USD JPY, USD versus Japanese yen. Yeah, you can change time frame. You can use 5-minute time frame or 10-minute time frame, whatever you want. But when you use low time frame like 5-minute time frame, the market, it will be noisy, the strategy to look like there is a lot of noisy. But if you use a high time frame, it will show you everything clear, and it will make your setup look professional and look so smart. So guys, these are very things that you are not supposed not supposed to watch. You need to watch it until the very end, because if you don't watch it until the very end, you're going to miss a lot from this platform. So please, let us go walk through this journey until the end. So without much ado, I just want to show you a step by step how you can apply this strategy. And after applying this strategy, you'll notice that this strategy, it has been there, but you haven't been able to see it, or maybe to notice how it works. Yeah, it was in my first episode, was the first video. Yeah, and it's just a redo, and maybe how to apply and how to test it, because I've been back testing, and knowing which session is an uptrend, which session do we have an a downtrend, and which session do we have a range market. Okay, so guys, let us kick on, but please don't forget to leave a comment, and also support, share, so that also we can grow the community, guys. So please don't forget to do that. Yeah, I'm yours, Clinton Digital, and we are here exploring our platform. So this strategy is called, go to your indicators. We do have our own indicators here for those who don't know. So go to your indicators. After going to your indicators, make sure you search for this strategy called um, um, Lack Algo ICT Killzone, that we talked about it earlier. And you need to mix with a smart money structure. Yeah, we need to mix with the smart money structure. I hope we are there, guys. So make sure you go to your indicators. Click on indicators. I don't know, my network. It's not picking. Yeah, just a moment, guys. So make sure you click on indicators. After clicking on indicators, it will show you which strategy are you supposed to use. So on your indicators, search for ICT Kill Zone. So that is what you call kill toolkit. It will help you to analyze all the market, and also make sure to apply what you call smart money structure strategy. Okay, first of all, I'll go to my indicator and choose smart money strategy, which we do have here. Yeah, smart money strategy, we need to apply it. Let me change maybe time frame. Let me see which time frame that works well with this strategy. Just a moment, taking a lot of time to load. It shows that my internet is a little bit slow. Yeah, now we have our strategy, guys. This is what you call smart money structure indicators. Yeah, these indicators is able to show you and analyze the market from first point where when the market opens and when it closed. It's able to show you the bulls and also it shows you the bearish in the market, so where you're supposed to buy and where you're supposed to sell in the market. Yeah, and these guys, I'm using a 15-minute time frame, and it's also to use a high time frame so that it can give you a clear indicator and direction of your market. For example, I'm using 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, which is it doesn't show well. Let us use a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame works well with this strategy. So when you look at our 30-minute time frame, we're looking at this market. It's following this trend, and you can see this is an automated strategy. Yeah, you have no need to struggle. You need to just to apply the strategy, and it will give everything for you. And also it show you the strength of the market, confidence, volume, and maybe at which time frame it is a bullish or a bearish. Yeah, it shows from this side, guys. Yeah, you can see it wherever you are. Hope it is clear. And remember, this is a USD JPY. Okay, guys. So to add on that, this indicator is able to tell you where you're supposed to buy. You can see from this. You can see from my dashboard, and you can see this chart. We have a sell, and it sold heavily. Sell, and this strategy, guys, to get it's not that somebody to explain it's not that easy, but I've taken my time and decided to take you through. For example, you can see here we have a sell, and the market sold from this level to the all the way downwards. Yeah, all the way downwards. Yeah, so it's a very nice strategy, guys. You can apply and you can use when it comes in your mentorship classes, or anything from this level. You can see from this level. I'm using a free version, don't worry about it, guys. Yeah, I'm using a free version. Yeah, stop it. Yo, so from this level to this level, it was just a sell until we get an indicator here for a buy, and it came and tried to retrace and then goes up to this level. So you're expecting from this level, if it closes above this line, gray line, it will be a buy. When it closes below this line, we are looking for sales positions. Yeah, so this strategy works well with the ICT Killzone. Yeah, ICT Killzone. When you're using ICT Killzone, this one, it will help you to also to show you which session are you supposed to be trading. Mostly I do trade London sessions, and when it's in London session, make sure you are up to time. And I remember here London session, we get it from 10 to 1 p.m. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. And also we do have at night, that is 3 a.m. until morning hours. Okay, guys. So first of all, we are going to get into the strategy. So go to your indicators. After going to your indicators, make sure you search for ICT Killzone. Again, I talked about it in my previous class, so make sure you go to my previous video and watch that video. Okay, so I'll just put my strategy, enable my strategy, and again refresh it. Let me do this. Yeah, I have refreshed, and let us just use a 15-minute time frame. Yes, now, no, 30 minutes. Yeah, it was 30-minute time frame. Okay. Yeah, we are in 30-minute time frame, and you can see in 30-minute time frame, this strategy Killzone is not working and it's not showing at all. So we need to use either 15 or 5 minute time frame. Let us see. Yeah. So this is our 15-minute time frame. You can see. Uh, I've realized after backtesting for a long time, during the London session, this strategy it shows you there is a lot of buying. This is our first uh, opening for London session. It was a buy, and we have again. This was just there was a signal. Yeah, obvious. It could have been a sell. So you got a sell also in New York. Obviously it normally sells, but when you look from this side, I do have a buy in my London session, and also yeah, let me go back again, guys. London, it was a sell. Arrange market, arrange market, uh-huh. Arrange market. London a good buy. London a good buy. Okay. Yeah, here obvious up and down. But this strategy, it shows you in every session what happened and why, because you have combined two strategy. From here we opened, it was a sell, but it bullished at some point. Okay, so guys, I hope this video has been so educative, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share, guys. Share with your community. Share with the guys who need this, because we are here to help and assist each other. That's why I take my time to take you this and to upload. So show your love by subscribing and everything, guys. Yeah, and it will be much for blessings. So guys, as we continue to grow, I'll see you again. Make sure you put a comment if you want to come to my inbox. I'll put the number below. You can come in to chat the way forward. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Until we meet to our next episode, and make sure you watch the video that you haven't watched previously. Yeah.